The Science of Getting Rich. Key idea number 4. Acting in the present, in harmony with your faith and purpose, will bring about the future you desire. Alright, so the power of thought is an incredibly powerful tool for creating your own reality. But action is still required to get things moving. While your thoughts can attract the things you want, only your actions will make them truly yours. And because you can't act in the past or in the future, the present is the only moment you've got, so you'd better act now. That means, regardless of the circumstances you find yourself in, you've got to act to prepare yourself for the future you want. If you merely invest energy in visualizing your ideal future and do nothing to work toward it, success will never actually materialize. It's common for people to stall here because they believe their environment isn't right for the action they want to undertake. If you find yourself facing this problem, there's a simple solution. Just change your environment or improve it through your own actions. In other words, use your present environment as a tool to arrive at a more hospitable one. It's also important to do as much as you can during each and every day, so you make quick progress, but without overworking yourself. Doing your utmost doesn't mean completing a ridiculous number of tasks every day, but instead applying all of your faith and purpose to making progress toward your personal goals. Many people make the mistake of spending their mental energy in one place and their physical energy in another. But if you concentrate your whole being, mental and physical, on whatever act you engage in, then every action will be successful. Having such successes will then attract further success and, pretty soon, you'll get into a rhythm. So if you already know that you want to earn more money, don't procrastinate. Start working toward your goals today and believe that you will eventually succeed. Key idea number 5 is queued up and ready. Click on it now to conclude this summary of The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace Wattles.